Say hi. Say hi. What does a cow say?
Moo.
What's a duck say? Ah, no, that's a monkey.
Say quack quack.
Kaka.
What does
a monster do?
Moo.
No, what's a
Rock.
monster do?
Bala.
monster?
What's a monster say?
Bah.
What does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
What's a doggy say?
Boo. Bop.
What does a birdie say?
Ah.
No, a birdie says tweet tweet.
Cookie.
What's a lion say?
Wow.
What else does she know? Who am I?
Me.
You?
No, who is she?
Who am I? What's my name?
Say Megan. Say Megan.
Ow.
Say Megan.
Oh! Your head.
Say May May.
Mommy. Mommy.
Who am I?
Mommy.
No, who am I?
Mommy.
No, I'm Samuel. Say Samuel.
Mommy.
No, Samuel.
Mommy.
No, Samuel. I'm gonna tickle you. You want me to tickle you?
Yeah!
What's my name?
Mommy.
No! That's May May. She's May May.
Mommy.
No,
You're not May May.
She's May May.
What's your name?
Mommy.
No, your name's Kinley.
Mommy.
Oh my
You're
God.
May. What's this? What's this right? What is this?
Mommy.
No, what is this called? Your belly?
What's that? Where's your belly? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Where's your eyes? Where's your forehead? No, this is your forehead. Where's your head? Where's your hair? Where's your toes? Where's your feet? Where's your legs? Where's your legs? Where's your
my leg?
Where's your butt? Where's your butt?
Where's your booty?
Where's your butt? Where's your arm? Where's your hand? Where's your fingers? Where's your cheeks? Where's your butt? Where's your butt again?
Do it again? Where's your butt?
I think she was pooted.
She probably did.
That could have been her belly shaking though. Hey, can you dance? That's not a dance move. Who's that?
Who am I?
Who is that? Oh, she wants to go down.
Not right now? Okay. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye again. Do it again.
Bye.